Hello children, I am your EVS teacher. Okay, so in the last class we learned some question and answers in page 23, 24 and 25. Now let's move on to remaining question and answers. Okay children, see in page 27, discuss. How do you feel when you are very hungry? How would you describe it? For example, sometimes we jokingly say, I am so hungry, I could eat an elephant. Okay, are you telling like that? Or anyone said to you? Okay, when we feel hungry, when I am so hungry, I could eat an elephant. Okay, next, second one, how do you come to know that you are hungry? That means, how could you know? Okay, next, think what would happen if you do not eat anything for 2 days. Okay, next, would you be able to manage drinking water for 2 days? Okay, so where do you think the water that we drink goes? Okay, so here, so these are the questions. Okay, see these answers, see here. So when we are hungry, we feel an empty sensation in the stomach and want to eat something immediately, and we are not able to concentrate on our work. Okay, so when we feel hungry, we couldn't do anything. Okay, on the time you feel very tired. Okay, so we feel tired, headache, or our stomach feels empty, then we will know that we are hungry. Okay, next, third one, if we do not eat anything for 2 days, we will become weak and fall ill. Next, no, we will not be able to manage without water for 2 days. The water we drink is used by our body for various metabolic activities. Excess water is excreted out of the body in the form of urine and sweat. Okay children, note down these answers in your HW. Okay, so what is the concept? When we feel hungry, we feel empty sensation. Okay, some sounds also will come from our stomach. So on that time what we have to do? Then automatically we feel we want to eat something. Is it right? Yes. And also we cannot concentrate, we cannot do anything, our homework or studies or any other work at home, we cannot concentrate. Okay, and also we feel tired, headache. Okay, and we feel hungry. Okay, so what happened if we could not eat anything for 2 days? Okay, we will become weak and fall ill. Okay children? Okay. Next, what happened? What happened without drinking water? Okay, what happened? So here water helps us for the passage of food material in our stomach. That means food canal, small intestine, large intestine. So in our stomach it helps to passage. Okay, that means to move on. Okay, that means here water helps us for various metabolic activities. Metabolic activities means respiration, digestion, circulation, all these are called metabolic activities. Okay, water helps us for various metabolic activities. Okay children, and also excess water. Okay, when we drink a lot of water, for example 5 liters per day. Okay, so some of the water only uses for our metabolic activities. Okay, so then what about the excess water? It is excreted out of the body in the form of urine and sweat. Okay, next, see here. So here, so how could you know when you feel hungry? How could you recognize? That means when I am hungry, my head ache. Okay, headache, that means talapotu. Okay, now second one, I get angry easily when I am hungry. Okay, if you couldn't eat in right time, then automatically you get angry. Okay, now here, when I am hungry, I feel tired. That means you couldn't do anything. You go and sit at a place. Okay, you don't do anything. Okay, you are not able to do your work. For example, reading, whatever it is. Okay, next here, she is small girl. When my sister is hungry, she cries. Baby, small child. Then only when the child is crying, then their mother knows. Then they feel hungry. Okay, next here, dog. I cry too when I am hungry. Here, dogs, not only dogs, animals also. They are crying and do some different kind of sounds. Okay, children. In page number 28, talk and discuss. Do you remember that in class 4, you made a solution of sugar and salt? Okay. Nitu's father also made this and gave to her. What do you think this? What do you think? This is given to someone who has vomiting and loose motions. Okay. So we already learned about sugar and salt solution in class 4. Okay. So here, why we are taking this? Why her father gave to her? That means in case of vomiting and loose motions, the amount of water, salt and sugar levels decreases in the body. What happened? So in our body, we lost water, sugar and salts. Okay. So next, this can be dangerous situation. Sugar and salt solution is given to replenish this loss. Okay. So in our body, water, salt, sugar levels was decreased, means what happened? Our metabolic activities also decreases. Okay, I already told you about metabolic activities. Okay, that means digestion, respiration, circulation, transport, all these are called metabolic activities. What happened? The amount of water, salts and sugars decreases, means we get serious. Okay, that means dangerous situation. Okay, so when we take sugar and salt solution is given to replenish this loss, then automatically we get some energy without eating anything. Okay, that's why her father gave to such solution. Okay, next one. Have you heard the word glucose or seen it in written anywhere? Where? Yes, I have heard the word glucose and seen it written on glucose packet. Okay, children? Okay, did you hear the word glucose? Yes, this is well known. In summer season, everyone take glucose solution. Okay, why? Because to reduce the temperature, our body loses water and salts also. Okay, when we take glucose, then it replenishes such type of loss. Okay, so we have to see glucose word on the glucose packet, and not only on glucose packet, and some advertisements. Okay, we have to see in TVs. Okay, children. Next, page 29, first one. Have you ever tasted glucose? How does it taste? Yes, I have tasted glucose. It is sweet in taste. Okay, children. Next, have you or anyone in your family been given a glucose drip? When and why? Okay. Does it happen in your family? Yes. When it was happened, we had frequent vomiting and glucose. So when we had frequent vomiting and loose motions, we could not digest food and get very weak. In such conditions, we went to hospital. Then doctor will give us glucose drip that gave some strength quickly even without eating. Here glucose drip means that is called saline. Okay, what do we call? Saline. Okay, so it gives us strength. Okay, children. Next, third one. Neetu's teacher used to tell the girls to have glucose while playing hockey. Why do you think she did this? Okay, when we play, not only hockey, when we play, we get a lot of sweating, which results in loss of water, sugar, and salt from the body. Due to this, we lost a lot of energy. Okay, so glucose solution provides us instant energy by replenishing the lost water and sugar. That is why Neetu's teacher used to tell the girls to have glucose while they were playing hockey. Okay, children. So not only hockey, when we play any game, kabaddi, running, whatever it is, when we get sweating. Okay. So in that time we lost water, sugar and salts. Okay. So for that we have to replenishing the lost solutions. We take glucose. Not only glucose, sugar and salt solution also we have to take. Okay. Next, look at Neetu's picture and describe what is happening. How is the glucose drip being given? Okay. See here, she is Neetu and she was given a glucose drip, that is saline. See here, the picture shows that glucose drip is being given to Neetu. The glucose solution is taken in a bottle which hanging in a stand. Okay, from here glucose is being injected into Neetu's body drop by drop with the help of a tube and needle. See here, this is needle. Okay, children? Okay. So in bad situations, that means when we lost water, sugar, salt, so when we lost these substances from our body, then automatically doctor was given to you saline or glucose drip. Okay, children? Read in your textbook and write in your ASW. Okay? Thank you.